Today, I'm here to announce that the first presumptive case of COVID-19 has been detected in Alberta. We believe that it is important to take immediate public health action to prevent the possibility of spread.
So that's right, everyone. Breaking news coming out of Calgary. They have their first case of CV.
The individual is a woman in her 50s who appears to have contracted the virus while aboard the Grand Princess cruise ship in California. The individual, who lives in the Calgary zone, returned on February 21st. She has been isolated at home since February 28th.
She came back to Alberta February 21st, but it wasn't until a week later that she started to notice symptoms and finally went into the hospital for testing. Today, we finally learned the results of some of those tests, the first presumptive case in Alberta.
Public health officials are reaching out to all individuals who may have been in contact with this person, assessing their health and instructing them to stay at home for 14 days after their last contact with this person.
Much contact has this woman made in the community in that week span, and they really aren't able to say at this point. They're still assessing those details. Dr. Hinshaw did say that she feels like this woman has had some but not a ton of activity.
I would like to ask anyone in Alberta who was aboard the Grand Princess cruise ship in the last 2 weeks to please stay at home until 14 days have passed since they left the cruise, even if they are feeling well.
We do know there were well over 260 Canadians on it to basically watch their symptoms and go into self-isolation for 14 days.
Wow, that's right. On the Grand Princess, there was over 260 Canadians on it that could be possibly infected and are now back in Canada and probably walking around and don't even know they're sick or not.
Try to get a grasp on the reach that this woman had in Calgary after she returned from her trip on that cruise ship.
There's some updates and news coming straight out of Calgary, which is in Canada. So I thought I'd share this with all of you, and there's a reason why I also made this video, is because specifically one of my YouTubers said, Chad Sinclair, and dude, I literally found out on this video that is in my hometown now, man, you got to keep doing what you're doing. So I really appreciate the support, and that's crazy that you actually found out that it's actually happening in your hometown from my video and not your actual news or your parents or anything else. And I asked him where it was happening or where he's from, and he says, yeah, dude, I live in Alberta, and in the city where the case is located. I'll start sharing your videos now to my friends and family now, and stay safe, bro. Thanks, man. I really appreciate the love and support. I love all your guys' love and support. It really means a lot to me. And likewise, man, you and your family stay safe. God bless you guys, and like my prayers go to you. And yeah, start to like prep, get some food, and yeah, prepare for it. And that also goes to everybody else watching this video. So I hope you got educated and learned something. Go buy some food, because even if you don't need it, you'll always eat it. So this is truly the time in Canada and everywhere else that it's spreading to keep your surroundings, stay vigilant, be wary of everybody. Make sure that if you see anybody coughing or anything, I think it's like the minimal to stay away from them is 6 meters, and then just get away. Because yeah, you don't want to take any chances, and just stay safe. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you can do me a favor, like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and if you want, share it as well. It takes 10 seconds and it helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and God bless you all. Take care. Stay safe.